Tom here, FlipAnything USA.
It's the best thing I ever did! Woo!
This is Gloria, and Gloria, you've been a tenant of mine for how long?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. So not only is Gloria one of my tenants, but she's also a student in the mentorship. She's in a lease with me, and she's got this beautiful salon she's put together. And you used to do this, what state was it you came from before that?
New Orleans, Louisiana.
So this is an old 1939 house, and I changed it to commercial basically. And she's got a beautiful little setup here. But after being in the mentorship, what'd you realize?
Real estate's where it's at.
That's right. So she asked me if I could let her out of her lease, and if she could, because she's got a real estate license, and she's going to do really one of the smartest things anybody can do. She's going to enmesh herself in the business of real estate, which she'll make money, but also, number one, she wants to be an investor, but she's going to be around people like me that buy and lease, and she's going to make money. We're going to make deals together, I'm sure. But I'm letting her out of the lease. I'm excited for her. She's young, and she's going to have the world by the tail because she's getting a young jump, just like I did. I started 19. I know you're very young. I don't think you're 19, but right?
We can say I'm 19. It's
Okay, there you go. Anyways, so hey, why don't you just give us a quick walk through the salon? Because now actually we're putting this up for lease. In order to do that, she's already got it decked out and beautiful. That was your dad helped you clean this up a little bit, right?
Yes, he's a retired contractor, so he came by and helped me out. We had an uncle come over.
Yeah.
It was a family affair.
Yeah, so in all honesty, I got to say, she's leaving it in better shape than it was in from when she rented it. She beautified it, she painted it, and kept it up beautifully, and I appreciate that. Walk through
Okay,
it.
come
So
on.
this was the front patio of this house a long time ago. It was a farmer's insurance company, State Farm, and then it was something else, and it's been a real estate office, by the way.
Yes.
A long time. She's got these great hair sinks and different things in here for hair washing, obviously.
Hair
right?
wash.
Yeah.
This is a break room and our color room. So.
Yeah, and so this is the old kitchen, and the kitchen here. Actually, this is a good picture for us too. As you can say, it's just old original kitchen.
Yeah, you can go in there.
Yeah, as long as everybody's cool with it. But there's a little fireplace there, and then yeah.
Let's see. So we have these really nice tables for lashes.
Yeah.
And this is Layla.
Oh.
She's doing lashes right now.
Yeah.
And Rachel, our VIP client.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I like those chairs. What do you call it? Is it a table or a bed?
Table, yeah, bougie tables. And we do facials here. So we
check
have
it out.
machines, and we also do waxing, aesthetics, anything to make you beautiful.
Oh, awesome.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And so, what is this, a steamer?
Yeah, it's a steamer, a light. We also do hydrofacials. We remove skin tags.
Oh.
Just everything.
Yeah, I haven't needed that yet. It's coming, I'm sure.
I'll take care of you.
Yeah.
And then I just made this a really small facial room. Waxing room. So we could do your Brazilian waxing here.
Oh, well. Yeah, I'm not really up for that either, but it sounds interesting.
Yeah. And we did it New Orleans style. This is a famous artist in New Orleans. And then we have the Blue Dogs, who's Rodrigue. He's a big artist in New Orleans.
Oh,
So,
awesome.
Yeah.
I have a barber that's got everything's decked out in New Orleans.
Oh, I need to go.
You gotta go check it out. It's really cool. Oh, we'll flash over to that in a minute too.
Yes, okay.
It's very cool.
And that's where we got the paintings.
Yeah.
French Quarter style, European style.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a beautiful shop. Now, she painted my oak floors. Normally, I wouldn't be happy about that. But you asked for permission first, I think. but it looks good. But these were all beautiful oak floors. And they still are. We can strip them. But, it just doesn't much matter to me anymore. But, yeah, you've done a great job. It looks great.
Thank you.
So, I tell you, I work my tenants anyways, and sometimes I move them, they move with me a lot of times. They go into different buildings, that sort of thing. Mm-hmm. Talking to her, she's been such a great tenant anyways. I realized I have a house, and I thought, because she said, Tom, do you got 400 square feet, right? Something like that. A room for $400 a month or something like that. She wanted a place where she could still take care of her VIP clientele. She's hanging on to the VIPs, which is smart. So she keeps that income coming in. And correct me if I'm wrong. So you wanted a place to do that. And I thought, you know what? Where are you living? I said, I got a house, and she'd seen it one time before. And so she's going to go look at that in a little while. She's considering renting the house, and then kind of kills two birds with one stone, because she can have a studio within the house, have some of this equipment there, and take care of her VIP clientele, because it won't be like a commercial, heavy traffic business. So work out of your home, and that sounds like a good plan.
Yes.
So I'm excited for her, really excited for you. And really proud of you. She's really one of the greatest students. She is on every Saturday, with a few exceptions.
I've been in Greece. I've been traveling.
Yeah, but she's taken us. We've been on the beach. Where were you on the beach?
Oh, in Honduras.
In Honduras. She's in class, and we're watching people run around swimsuits behind her. Really proud of you, and congratulations. And I'm excited for this. I tell you, it's really neat to see people, young people particularly, making decisions that are going to set them up for life. And I was lucky. I started at 19. I got an early start on it. Millionaire by 27 or 28. And that was back in the 80s. And, it's just, things can happen for you very quickly. And I'm looking forward to it happening for you. So.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyways.
All because of him.
Yeah, well, thanks. I appreciate it. But no, it goes to the credit. It's you taking these actions. Most people don't do this stuff. Look, she's a go-getter. She's a hustler. She's already an entrepreneur. She already got her own business. And now, she's like, this ain't good enough. I had a job. I don't want a job. Got a business. Well, that real estate far outweighed the profits from the business. Like, I don't need a business. Business became like a job. I don't want a business.
It is a job.
It is a job.
And a headache.
It's actually the hardest job there is a lot of people don't realize, and this is one of the reasons I love this kind of clientele. Retail clientele, commercial, industrial, people that are self-employed. It's the best clientele in the world because they will never go back. They are always only going to get bigger, and they're going to grow, and that's it, right? There's only one way, and that's just to get bigger and grow and make more money. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure, and I'm sure I'll be interviewing her before long with her next property that she's going to buy. We'll see.
That's right.
All
Thank you.
Hey, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the mentorship. You recommend the mentorship, right?
100%, of course.
Yeah. It's not just because I'm letting her break her lease, okay? But,
definitely recommend it.
Yeah, just go to FlipAnythingUSA.com, check it out. Check out all the testimonials that are there, and it's a fantastic group, right? Isn't it wonderful being in a class with people that you see?
All different ages, colors, sizes, everything.
Yeah, and making money in all different states, right? Some make, 30 grand, some make 100, some make 800. A million, over $1 million. Got Ken, we got some rock stars in there in a very short time. Liam and Herbert and, just all kinds of people. And Russ and, it's getting to so many, what was?
No, that's right.
I think you named one more, yeah.
Chris, all those,
Yeah, Chris, Eric. We'll see y'all later, and thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye.
Yo, stop and listen. Time is on a mission to eliminate all the snake oil and the fake gurus that fake y'all. He'll show you how to build an empire, starting with nothing but a desire. All you really need is a good mentor, not a used car bullshit. With time, you'll learn to crush it. Investing like Warren Buffett. With real estate, you cannot procrastinate. Everyone who hesitates is left at the starting gate. Hey, yo, so don't delay and join today. The mentorship and flip anything. USA.